What's in the June Allure Beauty Box? Stay tuned to find out. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit is around somewhere, and Chloe is just it's finals week, so she is studying for finals. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, beauty, all kinds of great stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So today I have the Allure Beauty Box. This is one of my favorite boxes because you get full size and deluxe samples at a great price. They are the editor's picks from Allure magazine, and there's always some great items in here. This month it's really heavy. This month our choice was of a First Aid Beauty product. You could either get the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, the Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA Fresh Strawberry, or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. And I believe that the KP Bump Eraser sold out immediately because I got on as soon as I got their email. So it was like at some point that day, and that was already sold out, I believe. Yes, because I would have picked that because I have two sisters who love that. So what did I get? I got the Nourishing Body Oil. That just piqued my curiosity. I've never tried this product. And this is a $36 value. And I do use body oils. So whenever I get out of the shower, I use either a serum, which is kind of like an oil, or a body oil, just to really set that moisture, keep it into the skin. And then I follow up with a moisturizer. This has a fresh citrus scent, so I love that. And right here, we've already more than paid for the entire box. So it's like you bought this product at a discount and got everything else for free. That's girl math. That's unboxing girl math. Next, by Luna Nectar, we have their Futurize Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. Now, First Aid Beauty is cruelty-free, and this brand is cruelty-free. They do have the Leaping Bunny. And now just a little bit of news from the cruelty-free community, and that is that Charlotte Tilbury has dropped their cruelty-free Leaping Bunny status. They've given some reasons for it, like, oh, it was confusing, this and that. But in reality, they are now selling on mainland China, and they are specifically selling their SPF items, which do require testing if you're selling in mainland China. So just a little heads up for those of you who are very interested in that information, because previously they did have that cruelty-free status. So you would be thinking you were purchasing some of your favorite Charlotte Tilbury items and sticking with that cruelty-free commitment that you may have made. And in fact, that is no longer the case. You can go to Instagram and follow the Leaping Bunny if you like, and that always gives lists of different companies and their status, particularly the cruelty-free companies that they're loving. All right, so this looks nice. I'm more than halfway done with my Bacachol from Herbivore, so this might go out next. This is an alternative to retinol. This has Bacachol in it, so it's a plant-based ingredient, and it helps target fine lines and smooth out your texture, just like the vitamin A derivative. You are going to use this at night, and this is a $49 value. I mean, we've already, I get this, I have an annual subscription, so I think I'm paying around $22, but I think if you get just one box, it's around $29. But you still already doubled your value. Right, next by Aceology, which is a PETA approved brand. We have their Here We Glow Berry Mask. Ooh, that sounds nice. It says this berry yogurt look-alike may not be edible, but it certainly offers impressive antioxidant perks, just like the juicy fruits. Made with kaolin to deep clean in 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, wrinkles, dark spots, this face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it with a soft radiance. So it says you're going to put it on, you're going to leave it on 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off. So, maybe you put it on before you take your shower, do a few things, answer some emails, whatever it is that you do in the evening, and then boom. Because I don't have 20 or 30 minutes in the morning. And this, now, if you know Aceology, you know this is a pricey brand. This right here, this for 65 milliliters or 2.19 fluid ounces retails for $69. Full size right there, 3 full size. Next, we have our first deluxe sample, and this is by L'Atelier Parfum. Okay, that right there. I don't speak French. Coeur de Petals Hair and Body Mist. It says, if you've ever been to Paris, you've likely strolled through the lush Jardin du Luxembourg. If you haven't, a spritz or two of this flowery fragrance with notes of rose, violet, and jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden's sprawling flowers and fruit trees. The full size of 50 milliliters retails for $57. This is 10 milliliters. So this is going to retail for $5.70. I'm good with easy math. I do not know their cruelty-free status. I will look it up in editing and you'll see it on the screen. Yes, you're definitely getting a perfume, but it's almost like soap, like a perfumed soap, but not in a bad way. Next, from David's, we have their Hydroxy Whitening and Enamel Health Toothpaste, Anti-Plaque, Fresh Breath, Remineralization, Sulfate-Free, Fluoride-Free, with Nano Hydroxypatate. All right, Natural Peppermint. This does have the Leaping Buddy on it. They're also naturally sourced and neutrally derived ingredients. No sodium lauryl sulfate. Fluoride-free, vegan, plant and earth-based. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Proudly made in the U.S. Sustainable packaging, recyclable, tube, and family owned and operated. So we have a travel size here, and it does have the little pokey thing so that when you open it up, when you're ready to use it, you can poke the enamel with that. And if you have any of those Margot Elena hand creams, you can also use it to poke those. Now, the full size of 4 ounces is $10.95. This is 1.75 ounces. And then our last product, you would have gotten one of 2. It wasn't a choice. They chose for you by random. Either the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam or the Paul Mitchell Clear Jelly Mask. And I got the Clear Jelly Mask. So it says dry hair. There's a mask for that. Fighting dullness. There's the same mask for that. And it's this one with a fragrance-free formula and a translucent jelly-like treatment. Adds hydration and gleam to hair without fuss. After shampooing, you're going to rake in the gelatinous goop with your fingers and then leave on 5 to 15 minutes, depending upon your hair's need. Obviously, the drier, the longer you leave it in. Rinse and follow up with conditioner. The full size of 8 ounces retails for $30, and this was 2 ounces. So this is a deluxe sample. I do not see anything, and I don't really know because I haven't used Paul Mitchell products other than when I've gotten them in subscription boxes for years. So I don't really know. I'll have to look at their cruelty-free status. So that will be right there on the screen. But what were your thoughts? I think, again, I think it's a really good box. These three products right here, that makes the whole box for me. But you also have the perfume, the toothpaste, which is great because we're coming up on junior year, which means college weekends to go check out schools. So we will be needing travel size items. All right, let me know your thoughts down below. Was this a great box? Would this be a great box for you? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.